All right, for number 1, we've got a square and a triangle. When you subtract them, you get 4. And then a square and a triangle, and when you multiply them, you get 12. So these could be like any numbers. We could have a million minus something to get 4. So let's take a look at this. Something times something gives us 12. So we know that 1 times 12 gives us 12. And we know that 2 times 6 gives us 12. And we also know that 3 times 4 gives us 12. So you've got to ask yourself, which of these numbers could we use to subtract one from the other to get to 4? We could use 6 and 2. 6, 2. So square is 6, triangle is 2. And then for the core activity down here, these could be any number of numbers. But this one down here, sorry, dogs are fighting. This one down here, 2 plus something gives us 7. That one would have to be 5. It's knocked off. Outside. Outside. Okay, so this is a 5. And that's a 5. So I would do this clue next. 5 minus something gives us 1. We know that 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. And let's check and make sure this works. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're good. So a triangle is 4 and hexagon is 9. All right. Boy, those could be a million different numbers, huh? Oh, we can probably do this one. Something times 3 gives us 24. So I think that's an 8. 8 times 3 gives us 24. So let's put an 8 there and an 8 there. And then something plus itself gives us 8. Well, we know that 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Remember, these have to be the same number because it's the same shape. So that means this is a 4 and this is a 4. So something minus 4 gives us 8. 12 minus 4 gives us 8. And let's check, make sure this works. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we're good. So we have a rhombus of 4 and a triangle of 12. Oh boy, it's all shapes. So I would concentrate on clue 2 and clue 4. Some number plus itself gives us another number, and then the same number is up here times itself gives us this same number. So if you want to just start from the beginning, like 1 plus 1 equals 2, but then go down here, is 1 times 1 2? And it's not. So let's try 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. What about 2 times 2? It's also 4. All right, so now we have 4 plus something equals 4. Well, the only thing that you can add to 4 to keep it the same would be 0. And let's make sure it works up here. 2 times 0 gives us 0, so we're good. So we have 4, 2, and 0. Oh boy, where do we start here? Got triangle. Boy, this one's tricky. I'm thinking the only one that we can start with is going to be 11. So we can have 3 different numbers adding up to 11. So let's see. If we have I think we're going to have to play around with a lot of numbers here. All right, we know that 2 of these is going to have to be added to that to get that. So we know that this is going to be a higher number. So what if let's start with these 2 clues. So what if we do 1 plus 2, 1, 1, and a 2. So that would be 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not high enough. So let's go with like a 2 and a 3. 2, 2, and a 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we're too high. We're 1 too high. So what if we change go back to 1 here, maybe make that a 4. 1, 1, and 4. 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so these are good. So now let's do a 4 here and a 4 here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. Gets us down to and gets us a 9 there, and that's supposed to be a 1, isn't it? So that one's not going to work. So let's see. 4. What if this was a 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 1, 3, 3, 6, 7. So that'd be a 7, 3, and 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, that works. Okay, please work down here then. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Yay, we did it. Okay, so that's a 1. That is a 3. That's a 7. Oh, that was a hard one. All right, so for the first one here, you're just changing these into letters, changing them into variables. So I think this is like the same one as the opener, right? Where we have to use the 6 and the 2. except we're not actually using the numbers. We're just writing variables. So let's do an S for square and a T for triangle. So we're going to have S minus T equals 4. And then got another square. S times T for triangle equals 12. And then for this one here, we're also doing letters. So we could do T for triangle, R for rhombus, H for hexagon. T, H, R, T, R. T plus R equals H. T plus H equals 13. R minus T equals 1. 2 plus R equals 7. All right, and then on to page 6. All right, let's see here. This one only has one number we need to figure out. Something divided by 2 is 4. Well, that's going to be 8. So let's put 8 in all of the triangles. Let's go down to this one here. If this is 8, 2 plus something, same number. Let's see. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Those are 3's. We know triangle is 8. Rhombus is 3. All right. Something minus 3 equals 8. Well, we could do 12. 12 minus 3 is 8. Oops, not 12. That would be 9. How about 11? 11 minus 3. Okay, and if we put 11 right here, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 11 is 22. So we're good. And then we know that the star is going to be the same number as the rhombus. And when you multiply those together, you get 25. So it should be 5. That should be 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So star is 5. Rhombus is 5. So I'll go through and put 5s on everything. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 5 is 20. So we know we got a 20 on that side. And this is a 5, and this is a 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Times 2 is 20. 20 on that side, so we're good. Okay, this time we are just changing them to letters. So we could use C for circle, T for trapezoid, circle, circle. Oh, got another T for triangle. So we can't use a T again. Let's use R, the second letter for triangle. So R, T, R, C, C, and R. So C times T equals T. C plus C equals R. R plus T equals R. C times C equals R. And that was it for lesson 1.